This is what the garage looks like. There are many things here, and it may look like some kind of junk, but every single thing here is needed by my family, at least by my father and my grandfather. This is a stove that keeps us warm when we repair a car or just decide to do something in the garage, maybe fix something. We use wood to heat it and it keeps us warm. There are also some machines here for working with wood. He is my grandfather and he is trying to make himself some tea. He is working where the tools are, every tool is in its place. There are a lot of tools, and here I think you can do almost everything with a car, you can fix any car. There are also clothes that we wear. Also, my grandfather decided to chop some wood to start the stove. Now I want to show you one of his methods that helps the wood in the stove catch fire very quickly. This is my grandfather's methods. He takes a piece of cloth, takes out a special metal tray for ash, puts burnt wood into it, pours used motor oil into it. This oil comes from when we change oil in our cars. And my grandfather keeps this oil. He mixes the ash and small wood pieces with this oil. He has been doing this for many years. The matches became wet in the garage because of high humidity during winter, and it was not easy to light the newspaper at first. But after some time it finally worked and the fire started. This is a motorcycle here, I will talk about it later. This is also a bicycle, handy, and as you can see, there are shelves above and there are other things of them. While making this video, I understand that the garage is really full of many different things. As you can see, the stove is already burning, and on the left side there is wood that we chop so we can always start the fire and have wood ready. There is also a very old kettle that we can heat and drink tea from. I want to show you my father's motorcycle. It is a Honda CB 1000R. It's covered with cloth so it does not get dusty because we chop wood and cut things and small pieces can fly around, and we don't want to wash the motorcycle again and again. I have a motorcycle license, and if you want I can make a video in summer where I ride a motorcycle on Siberian roads. We can also go to different places and I will show them to you. So please like this video, subscribe and leave a comment if you want me to do this. On the floor below there is a small door that leads to level -1. Let me go down and show you that is there. As you can see, there are also some things here, mostly car wheels. There are winter tires, summer tires, and also a little bit of jam from raspberries, cabbage and other food that my grandmother makes. On the level below I will show all the food that my grandmother made, but level -1 looks like this. And there is also a door that leads to level -2, where my grandfather is now cutting carrots so they do not start growing again. While I'm waiting for my grandfather to finish cutting the carrots, I decided to show you the area around the garage, and I also do one thing my grandfather asked me to do. Clean the snow near the garage. During the winter, a lot of snow has gathered, and then it starts to melt. We do not want the garage to be flooded, so I am doing this now. Now it is time to show you level -2, but before we go to level -2, we need to open this door. Going down another ladder, I enter a real place full of food that all my family eats and that I ate during all my childhood. There are many preserved foods, pickled cucumbers, fruit drinks, drinks without gas made from berries and fruits, and also mashed vegetables like eggplants and tomatoes, and of course potatoes. We always have potatoes. My family also has a country house, and if you want me to make a video of that too, please write about it in the comments, and if that comment gets many likes, I will definitely do it. A little more of the first floor, there my grandfather almost always turns on the TV so that it feels more fun in the garage. as I think. The water in the kettle is already boiling, and my grandfather is pouring tea for himself and for me. I could not record the last shots and say everything I wanted because I forgot that there is very strong wind near the garages, and unfortunately my voice was recorded very badly. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. I hope you like it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you were attentive, write your ideas for the next videos and I will make them if they get another likes. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.